So, damn, alright, we're, fucking back in it to win it, alright. Fuck, man. I'm getting tired, dude. I'm probably taking tomorrow off because it's my brother's birthday. But, yeah, I want to get this game finished. So where are we at with that? Okay, so, yeah, we were doing the orders. We had the bell when we rung that yesterday. We need to make stuff, start comparing orders, and, yeah, I guess I'll just run it for a little bit and see what's up. We'll see what's up, tubes. Damn, I'm so glad it's Friday. Alright, so yeah, we can have our current orders and we can start cooking them over here with all of our food. We can throw them in the defroster. We can grill fries up here. Nice. And let me see, if I have something like this, it does not allow me to interact with it. Awesome. So, cool. If I put this in here, though, it does not empty my fries, so we do need to update that for the fries, is one thing. The next thing we need to do is add some fries on that order, too. So why don't we go ahead and do that. Yeah. So we need to add fries. Alright, so what are my, when I pick up the fries currently, what is it doing? So let me go to my player and fry collision, inventory.append fries. Awesome. So we need to actually have a real thing here. So what is that? Food item. Alright, nice. We have an enum, so we can't just use this string. I don't know. I guess I must have done that a while back. Food items dot fries. There we go. And yeah. So when we have our clear player inventory, Control F, does that just for item in new inventory? Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, yeah, so I am setting the textures null here, so I have to do it for the fries as well. And we'll just set that. Fries. There we go. So now our fries should update when we put stuff into the box. Yeah. So that looks good to me. We are clearing the inventory array. Oh my god. Inventory array. How's it going, Mud Crabbo? How's it going, the real Bob Newman? Sorry, I didn't see your chat till just now. I didn't open that tab. Alright. So, what are we even doing? Okay, so we have the fry texture updated now. We have the fries added to the dictionary. We also need to remove them, but we're clearing them, and nice. Cool. So I guess I need to get some way to get rid of the fries. Yeah. Let me go back to scene A and take a look. So I have an X for everything else, just in case you want to get rid of it. I guess I should make an X for the fries as well. So, yeah, I guess I'll just make like a little trash can right here. I'm just going to duplicate one of these. Control D, I think that's just a mesh. Yeah, and then I just need one of these meshes as well. Let's see. So we have that. Let me go here and add another node, and I'll call this fry holder, I guess. Fry holder. Just like that. Seems good. And yeah, cool. Fry holder. Cool. Yeah, let me grab the mesh. Where is my X mesh? Or what is it called? Can I just duplicate that? Control D and then drag it to the fry holder. Nice. And then I'll go to my transform and get rid of it. Nice. Then I'll bring it back to where it should be. Cool. Yeah, and then I guess we'll probably move it forward to like right here. Just like that or whatever. Maybe even forward a little more. So yeah, that way we can get rid of the fries too. So now I just have to add an area to this. Area 3D, and we'll call this fry removal. I should have probably called all those removal as well. Shit, there's a fucking gnat or something in here. Maybe that's... Fuck. Alright. Fry removal, let's add a collision shape. Collision shape. Oh, it's all the way over here. Who knows why? I don't right now, but I'm not too concerned about it. So, as long as it's not scaled, right? Okay, you're not scaled. Cool. Then you're good to go. I don't give a shit. Nice. Perfect. We'll move it down. We'll move it over here. And, oh, how's it going, Even Steven? So we'll move that out. Perfect. So now we should have a way to get rid of our fries. Just got to make it a little bit bigger. Should be good enough. Cool. So I don't think we need to even add anything to that. What we'll do is just go to our script, and we're going to copy basically what this is right here. That's our cheese removal, but instead we'll have a we'll be checking for the name of the fry removal. So fry removal. Cool. And then we just need to change this as well. So we're going to do fries equals null, and then we have to get rid of the fries. Perfect. And I think I saw another error that I needed to fix when I was playing the game off stream. So I'll see if I can recreate it real quick. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so if I look at this thing here and I click on it, I think I can put more stuff into it. So like if I grab this, I can put that into it as well. And like I can keep on putting more stuff in here. And then if I press E, I can also throw more stuff in there. And then we have some issues. So I can still pick stuff up, but it's not like what it looks like. And then that mesh is also stuck there because I only delete the first child. So I just need to, I think, disable the collision once I instantiate the mesh instead of when I turn on the faucet. So what we'll do is fuck, what did I just say we were gonna do? We need to go to the sink. Where's the sink? Alright, sink. Or maybe it's just in here. It might not even be oh wait, that's right, it's the slots. So I need to go to the slots. Where are they at? I think they're down here. Let me close my X rack. Go to the sink slot holders, and we're gonna have to code some of these. So whenever we put in a new food item into these slots, we should be disabling the collision so we can't click on this slot again. Cool, so we should be calling it here, and let me find out where we are calling it. Collision shape, Control F. So we're setting it disabled only when we spawn the single item instead of should be right here, I think. No. Yes, it should be right here. And we'll see if that works. And yeah. Cool. Let's take a look. I think that should work for us. But only in slot A. So which one is slot A? Okay, so that'll be this one. So we shouldn't be able to add more stuff into this one, but it should still be all fucked up on the rest of them. So yeah, I guess we'll be doing a lot of bug fixes, and then yeah, I really don't have a lot of time to add a whole lot of new features, so I just have to fix the bugs really, and then get it going. So if I put that here, yeah, I can no longer add more stuff to it, but I can still do it here. So I have to fix those too, because I made 4 different scripts because I didn't really think about it. I thought my coding would be so good I would only have to do it once, which apparently it's not. So now I pay for my insolence. Yeah, what are we on? Script C. We'll set it here, and then I'll take that line out of here, and then we'll go to the D, and we'll put it here and take it out of here. Whoops. Control X, Control Save. There we go. Now we're good to go. Perfect. Let's run it, I guess. Did I get each one? Let's see. Cool. It's down there. It's down there. It's down there. It's down there. Awesome. So should be good to go now. I shouldn't be able to double up any ingredients or whatever. Okay, so let's try it out. Can I put 2 things in there? No. And then you can really check because the interact is not there anymore. So I can interact here, and then like none of these, there's no more interactable, but this one interacts still. So cool. And as far as like putting it in while the sink is turned on, like if those weren't already in there and I put one in there, I would kind of want it to wait for the next cycle anyway, so I think that should be fine. Maybe. Let's actually give that a try. I'm just gonna grab all these. And yeah. So if I do this, and then I start this, and then I grab something and put it in here, what happens to that one? Do we have anything here, or do we have to run the sync again? Alright, let's run the sync again and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, we have the hot dog. We can still pick this one up. Cool. I guess it's going to keep spraying for a little while. Whatever. And then I don't think I ever hit them all empty, but I guess nothing would happen, right? And then even if I put something in here, nothing's gonna crash or nothing. We can hit that again. We still need to get rid of that 0 or whatever. Cool. And these guys, we put these down. Those were working fine. Does our fry remover work? Let's give it a shot. We can hit this X. Oh, we didn't put that into the objects, so we have to do that. Let's go to our fry X. The X rack. Fry removal. And then we have to add this into the objects. Yeah, objects, and I don't think we need to check for anything, so. Can you show us all the kitchen? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this pretty much is the kitchen. Yeah, so we have our kitchen here. We have our fryolator over here. We have our burger cooker, sizzlator. So we can throw these in there, defrost them, turn this on, we'll run that. We have some fries that we can throw in and start cooking up. That all looks good. I still don't see any bugs. I can throw these in here and toss that in there. Our fries come up. We need to check our fry remover. So our fries get removed. Awesome. And then we can pick them up. We can put together a complete order. We have like onions, tomatoes, cheese, and I should have a cooked burger over here on the stove. We can see that there's current orders over there. Yeah, so we would have like order 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've got to make this UI a little better up there, but it should match what we have on the screen. And we would fill out these boxes here with our orders. I'm filling them all with emptiness right now, and then once that's all done, we ring this bell with our hammer, and this bag will appear, and this claw thing is going to come down and get the bag, and then that will be how our order is checked. So, and this terminal over here is what cuts up our fries, so we can eat it, interact, and we have to type in the song lyric or whatever it says on here. And once it's at 100%, we can then cut the fries. And we can exit out. And that's a map overlay that's for something different. But we can now pick up the fries only one at a time and start cooking them. Yeah, so that's going to be the main portion of the game. I'll probably add some type of timer. A head thing over here. And then we're going to have snails coming out of these snail holes that want to eat all of our food. So they will give us hell. Yeah, that's my rundown of everything in a few seconds. I'm just seeing if I get any more bugs. Everything's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, well I already sent the order, so I can't really add anything else right now because I Q-freed those. But yeah, the idea on these two, like on the boxes, you could either you can put all your stuff in them by pressing E, or then like if you want to take the order back, you just press the E and again, and it'll refill your inventory with what's in the box. So, yeah, I might get rid of this too. I don't know what I'm doing with this. It's just a big old pumpkin. But yeah, so I'm just kind of walking through that. All that looks good. Now I need to get the, I guess. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I think what I'm trying to think of like how I want to load the levels, and I think the best way to do it would either be like have an array or a CSV that would say like how many snails, the orders, and you know, the timing. So I guess we could pretty much do that right now. Let me just open my Google Docs and we'll go to Sheets. Let me make a new CSV, blank spreadsheet, and I'll bring that over here. So we could do like snails, and then I want to do, I guess we would do like order, and snails, order, and time, I guess. I don't know, and we could do like, you know, 14, 12 snails, the order would be whatever it is, so we could do like, I would just look at the, where is it at? Damn, do I even have it? I know I have it somewhere. Game Manager. Where is our inventory shit? Alright, so dumbass, alright. Dumbass CSV, that's something different. Was on a roll, now I've completely forgot. So our player, alright, here's our food items enum. So I'll probably just construct the orders from that. So maybe it is just better to do it just in a list. That would probably be the best right now. So we'll just do a level list. And we'll do it right in the game manager. I don't feel like making a whole CSV and exporting it. That was actually pretty stupid. Yeah, so we'll do it that way. I might have to copy this. I might just need this in the game manager. I tried to not copy and paste it a bunch, but it's going to happen. So we'll go here. I guess we could call it from the player, but that would be pretty stupid. Nice. So we'll go to food items here, and then we'll just start making a level. So we'll say like level 1 equals, we'll just do an array, and we'll put, oh, we need like an onReady var, at onReady var equals level 1. Let me grab some water. Alright. What am I doing? Alright. Level 1. And so I guess the first number that we'll have is the like amount of snails. So I guess I'll do let's do 10 snails, whatever. Seems good. Food items, let's put together what we want. So we'll say actually, we'll make another array here. We'll say at onReady var, and we'll say level 1 items, level 1 orders. Equals, yeah, because we'd have like food items dot top bun. I guess I'll just make one complete order and see what happens. Food items dot bottom bun. Let's get a hot bun, I guess. Well, not a hot bun. Let's get a chicken patty. Food items dot chicken patty. We'll get food items dot cheese. We'll keep it real simple. Chicken patty with cheese. I mean, that's not that hard. So yeah, we could either do like another array. I don't know. I think I can do this. Yeah, I can put an array inside an array, and I'll do this. Put that on that line. and then I'll put another one like that. Move this down. I think I can do this, right? And then I'll have an array of arrays. Yes, I can. So let's grab this. We'll do one chicken patty. We'll do one burger. Burger patty. No cheese with nothing else. Actually, we'll do tomato. Whatever. Just to test more shit. Food. Food items dot tomato. There we go. We have to do 4 because we have 4 places on the. Well, we don't really have to. Let's just do 2 for now. Cool. All right, there we go. Nice. So we have an array, level 1 orders, and that has 2 arrays in it with our 2 orders because we're going to have 4 boxes to fill. So for right now, we'll just fill the 2 boxes and we'll leave the other 2 empty, and we're going to have to account for that as well. So nice. We'll just put that in there. Level 1 order. Yeah, level 1 order. So the amount of snails, we have our orders, and what else do we want? I guess we should put some type of timer. I have no idea how long it will take, so let's do, we'll do it by minutes, and we'll just do a 3-minute timer, or we could do it by seconds. So what is that, 120, 180? Yeah, we'll do 180. 3 minutes seems like a lot of time, but I gotta make some type of timer as well, so let's go ahead and do that on the player. I guess we'll update that here as well. We'll just make a function update timer. Well, actually, no. I don't know. Let me get this shit going, and then we'll work on the timer. I think we are going to need one, though. I think it would make it a little more arcadey and shit. So I guess level 1, perfect. So when we do our ready here, we got to basically account for that. Where's our ready function? Here we go. So get tree.call group take order 1. This time we will get tree. Yeah, well, I guess we'll do the same thing really, except we're going to be passing in the order this time. Yeah, and we'll go here, do that, and nice. That looks good. And what do we want to pass in here? We want to pass in the level 1 orders. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I guess this kind of makes it redundant. We really don't need this then. But, you know, I'm just going to keep it here for right now because I think it would be useful in the future. I'm going to get rid of that, and then I have to update this function in the TV. So if I go to my TV and I go to my take order, so I no longer want to use this. I want to take in an order. Order. Take order. Cool. 4 items in order list, 4 items in order list B, order list C. So how is that working? Oh, that's right. I was making those 4. Cool. So I could say, yeah, I'll pass in 2 empty lists then. So let me go back to the game manager. And here I have to at least pass in 4 lists, but they can be empty, so I'll do that. And then I'll just iterate through all 4 lists, and that should do it. So let me go back to the TV, and I'll say for lists in orders, order. We're going to have to append what's in that list, and then so we'll just say order list, Control C, var order list equals an empty list, and then 4 items in lists. Order list dot append. Order list dot append items. So this will do it for each of the 4 lists, and this will do it for each of the items in the list, and we should have those appended all to the order list. We also want to do this. Bring this back. I just need some additional logic here, and I'm just going to add a count equals 0, and this might not be the best way to do it, but we'll say after we complete the first for loop, we'll do count plus equals 1, and so we're going to need 4 of these lists. So order list, what was it? A, B, C, and D. Yeah. B, C, and D. So there we go. We have that, and we need to count, and we'll say if if count equals 0, and then we'll just do that, and I'll just do it for each one of these. This is a really shitty way to program this, but I'm running at minimal capacity today, so this is how it's happening. And we'll do what? 1, 2, and 3, and and then we'll just say order list D, C, and B. So that should work, right? And then we don't need this match statement anymore, and we don't need this. We just need this for. I'm pretty sure we should be good. Nice. So, cool. Yeah, we add everything to the order list, and then we say for the item in the order list, and okay, so that's just adding those textures to our computer screen, our TV screen. So let's see if that all works. Should work flawlessly, no questions asked. Oh, yeah, thanks for the good luck on the game. Yeah, I appreciate that. Everything's going all right. You know, knock on wood, but alright, it's just 3 second. No, alright. Oh, yeah, that's right, because we have 0, 1, 3, and 7. So we need to also get the food item list here. Cool. So all we need to do is just say the order list, the items, we'll get the items here, and that will be the food item list right here. That way we have the string, and it actually loads the correct thing that we want. Because right now we're passing in the raw number, the enum, and I made this list that matches the enum, so we can just, like, if I call 0 top bun on here, we get a top bun string. So kind of a hacky way to do it, but it works. And then yeah, I guess we'll give that a shot. Yeah. Mm. All right, should be happening anytime soon. Invalid get index on base array. Order list dot append. Zero 137. Oh. Let me do this. Let me say print lists, and I think I'm probably messing something up here. Lists, and then let me do print. I think I need one more loop, but I'm just not sure why. Items. Items. Let's try that. Oh, items. Yeah, that is. Items is 0137, so I should go. What is list? That's right, list is the whole thing, so it loops through there 4 times, gets all of those, and then shouldn't that get so I could do 4 values in items, and then that's when I would move all of this stuff over. No. No, this would be back here. Hold on, I'm retarded right now. Alright, so let me get all this out of here. Let me just do it for 1. Alright. So let me print some stuff out. When in doubt, you gotta print it out. So items is equal to, and then we'll print the items. And then we'll say print values. And then what do you know? We're gonna have the values right here. And let's see what that produces. And then the count should be increased right there. Perfect. Let's try it. It should at least not freeze up. Hopefully. Alright, 3 seconds, and nice. Invalid get index 0, 1, 3, and 7. Okay, let's see. So maybe, I don't think it's recognizing it as a values 0. So it is iterating through it. 0, 1, 3, and 7. Food items list, and then items. Oh, I'm still trying to feed it items. I need to feed it values. And I think I need to do int Yeah, if I go int and then I go values. Cool. That should add them all into one big array, and then I'll just have to separate that out into 4 arrays. And let me do this, and then that all should be good to go. Top bun, invalid get index top bun on base array. So, for items top bun in order list, food item list. Let me see that again. Invalid get index top bun on base array. And I am asking the food item list for the value top bun. So I actually don't want this. I just want to append the ints. Whoop. I just want to append the ints. Like that. And then I get that down here from the int. Nice. Yeah, let's give that a shot. All right. Let's take a look. There we go. So it did work. I think it spawned 2 of them because I put all the orders in the same thing. Yeah, because you can see like a burger and the thing behind it. But cool, because they all got added to the same one. So now we just need to keep up with the count. So yeah. Let me take a look at this. Or maybe I don't need the count anymore, because items, I basically know when the divisor is, or I can just say, I can put the count up here, right? And then I would go, if count equals 0, then we want to have, what am I trying to do? Yeah, I'll be moving this over right here. Like that. And we want to have this back here. And then I'll have a few more of these. Whoops. We'll do that. Three, 2, 1, and B, and C, and D. Nice. So let's see how that works now. Oh, I didn't even see your comment of what inspired the idea for the game. Sorry. Sorry, even Steven. I don't know. I didn't really have any inspiration. I was just like, let's. Cool, it worked. But yeah, I wanted to do like something that would like catch attention for people on YouTube, and like, I don't know. I don't know if that worked. I didn't really get a whole lot of views, but also that like help people learn shit. So. I'm going to release the whole thing for free. I don't know. It's basically what I was doing with my channel. I didn't really think it through a whole lot, and all the decisions I basically made on the fly. So I basically didn't really think it through at all. I just kind of started making shit. Cool, but we have those two orders, and the other two are blank, so we're not worried about those. We just need to, I guess, I'm trying to think what I want to do. Alright. We need to put the order in, have the snail spawn, and then I'll try to scramble together the order while the snails attack me. And we'll see how that works. Yeah, let me just get on that. Okay. We also did need to fix some other things with our snails. Let me go ahead and spawn one, and we'll just test it with a different food. Mainly, they don't eat the actual food. And let me let my cat out. There you go. Alright, so we can... nice, what do we gotta do? Yeah, we gotta go to our snail man. Let's just spawn one in with the game manager. I'm not looking forward to fucking with this thing again, but it's gotta be done. It's not a whole lot to do. It's just like, it's like running a mile. You just gotta get it cranked out. Cool. So in our game manager, when we spawn our snail, we do that. Where's our ready function? That's where we're starting to spawn stuff. So we'll say for what are we gonna use? Where was our level 1 for snail man's in level 1 0, and what are we gonna say? We're gonna say yeah, we'll do that. Instead of 25, we'll do like every 2 seconds, and we'll put a timer on, whoops, Control Z, Control C, we'll go right here, like 20 seconds. And yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll spawn the snail. Awesome. So there should be 10 of them spawning every 2 seconds. We need to spawn them from a certain location. So let me go back to the snail man and put that location in. I'm going to go back to my 3D and put 3 markers at here, and then we'll just get their locations and we'll call those snail spawns. So I'll go node 3D, I'll grab a marker 3D, and we'll just go right over here and put them there. I'm going to call it snail spawn. And I'll duplicate them. Whoops. Yeah, 3. And I guess we'll put 1 over here. So 1, 2, 3. And yeah, I'm going to put them all into just like a holder node. So I'll go node 3D right there, and we'll take all 3 of those and put them in this one, and we'll call this snail with a fucking capital S. Snail spawn holder. Nice. So I have the markers, and they are on the bottom. They're on the 0 on the Y. Perfect. So In my game manager, I'm actually gonna go and add this to a group. We're just gonna go node group, and we'll say snail spawn, snail spawn, and we'll add it, and then we'll go to our game manager, and we'll say snail. We'll say get tree dot get node first nodes in group, and we'll say snail spawn. And yeah, then we're gonna say I guess we'll have to spawn him randomly at one of those locations. So we'll say I think I have to make a new var rand equals rand new isn't it random number generator dot new, and then we'll say var rand int equals equals rand randi range, and we'll go from 1 to from 0 to 3, from 0 to 2, because we have 1 0 1 2. Cool. And then we'll get we can go var spawns. We'll just go spawn equals get tree, get first node in group, and then we'll say spawn. We're gonna get the rands int. Cool, and that should be our marker. So we'll say var marker equals spawn rand int, and there we go. Only string or string name can be used as index for node, but received an int. Var markers equal spawn equals get tree dot get first node in group, so that should be our node, and then we say rand int equals rands only string or string name can be used as index for type node, but receive type int. Oh, that's right, we're not getting a list. We're getting the first node in group, so I have to do get children. Dot get children, and then on that one I get the rand int. Nice. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of feel like shit. I'm probably gonna have to leave for tonight, dude. I'll be back tomorrow, but my head is like killing me. I just can't even focus on this. But everybody have a good night. Have a happy Friday. I'll see you guys maybe Sunday. I'll probably be off tomorrow, but have a good one. I feel like crap. Later.